Robocop.
Yeah. And it goes up, down, see?
Oh, it's going down as well.
Yeah,
Like it stays level.
yeah. So hopefully when, you know, so...
Wow. It's good for a horse.
Huh?
Good for a horse.
Yeah. Good for something else too.
It's like when I was driving that down, I told you, didn't I? It was like it was raining. All the veggies fell around.
We're going. Thought about it.
that coffee there was still there last time. Well, we came from other way. We went the other way with Ian before he got home. Pretty bugger off. Yeah. And
Let's go get a kappa.
yeah, Peter will do that.
Cool.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Hello, brother.
You like the ride?
Yeah, mate. Good ride. A little bit too slow, but it's
Slow for
alright.
this bloke.
No, we have to slow down because.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You haven't got food in your hand.
No.
You don't like you?
No. Hello.
You're gonna land on my head.
Hello. Yeah. You got a new friend there, mate.
Yeah.
You've got a new bird.
Yeah.
I don't want to do any. No coffee.